As we're entering baking season, I thought I should share with you my pie crust recipe. I like to do mine in the food processor, but you can definitely do this by hand. Start with 2 cups of all-purpose flour, a tablespoon of baking powder, and a teaspoon of salt. I like to go ahead and give that a few pulses to mix it up. Then I'm adding 2 sticks or 1 cup of very cold cubed up butter, and I'm just gonna pulse that until I'm left with this kind of sandy texture. Then I'm literally gonna take some ice cold water and start 1 tablespoon at a time until I add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of water total. This is one of those things that you just have to trust the process and go very slow with the water because it's very easy to overdo it and then you've kind of gone too far. You'll notice a texture change in your food processor. That's when I check it. And if it clumps together, it's ready. At this stage, it is kind of going to resemble wet sand. You're going to pour that out and just slowly take your time and start working it together. I find it easier to get my 2 balls going because this does make 2 pie crusts. I'm going to form them into discs, kind of pressing the sides down to condense it all together and compress it. Some people stick it in the fridge like this. I like to just go ahead and roll them out. I put it between 2 pieces of parchment paper and just slowly use my rolling pin like this to just kind of start working it out before I roll it very thin. And I just do this if I'm making pies that same day. So I will roll it out and then stick these papers into the fridge. But look how nice it peels off. You can also go ahead and put it in your pie dish. I just wouldn't do this if your pie dish is made of glass because going from the cold fridge to a hot oven might cause it to shatter. And then I just like to take my fork and poke holes all around my pie crust. And that's it. And even if she doesn't look pretty, she tastes amazing because it's very buttery and flaky and so much better than store-bought.